Providing food and drink in the high-stakes, incredibly demanding environments of healthcare facilities is honestly one of the most underappreciated logistical challenges out there today. If you're managing a clinic, a hospital, or a medical center, you already know this. Keeping your people fueled and focused isn't just some nice-to-have perk, right? It's an absolute operational necessity. But figuring out how to do it efficiently, well, that's exactly where things get a little complicated.
So you really have to ask yourself, how do you feed a facility that never sleeps? Because, let's face it, healthcare facilities operate around the clock. Illness and emergencies, they don't clock out at 5 p.m. And that means the people inside your building, the patients, the visitors, your staff, they are navigating these long, totally unpredictable schedules. Making sure they have convenient access to refreshments is just this constant, relentless challenge when you're dealing with a 24/7 environment.
To break this all down in our explainer today, we're going to hit 5 key areas. First, we'll look at the 24/7 healthcare challenge. Second, fueling staff and visitors. Third, curating the right products. Fourth, smart tech and placement. And finally, maintaining reliable service.
All right, let's dive into Section 1, the 24/7 healthcare challenge, meeting everyday needs.
We really have to acknowledge the inherent friction of healthcare facilities. People are often stuck on site for hours, sometimes even days at a time. And leaving the building to just grab a quick coffee or a snack, it simply isn't an option for most of them. Now, when you try to solve this food problem with a traditional cafeteria or retail setup, you are taking on massive overhead. You need a huge physical footprint, you're locked into limited operating hours, and you have to hire dedicated staff to run the whole shebang. But with modern vending, we are talking about a compact footprint, fully automated service, and most importantly, 24/7 availability. It is a lightweight, super efficient solution that's perfectly tailored to the heavy demands of a facility that quite literally never closes.
Moving right along to Section 2, fueling staff and visitors, the human element. I want you to think about the distinct human needs inside your walls. First up, your healthcare staff. These frontline workers have incredibly demanding schedules. They get very short breaks, and leaving their ward or unit is completely out of the question. A vending machine provides quick, vital access to the refreshments they need to just keep going. And then you have the facility visitors. These are folks enduring long, often very anxious visits. Imagine it's 2 a.m., every nearby store is closed, and a family member just desperately needs a bottle of water or a quick bite to eat. Vending machines provide that convenient sustenance exactly when they need it most.
Which brings us to Section 3, curating the right products, flexibility and choice.
You know, gone are the days when a vending machine was just a sad box holding a few stale candy bars. Modern operators solve those old operational headaches by customizing products based on the specific needs of each individual location. The product selection really should directly reflect the environment. So you want to offer bottled water, coffee, juices, and absolutely those essential dietary alternatives. But here's where the real magic happens. By continuously reviewing purchasing patterns and sales data, operators can actually adjust their selections over time. This proactive, data-driven cycle ensures the machine remains a highly relevant, super useful service rather than just, a static metal box collecting dust in the hallway.
Let's look at Section 4, smart tech and placement, operational upgrades.
Modern vending technology is built from the ground up for maximum efficiency. Cashless payments are totally standard now. Users just tap their cards or mobile devices and they're on their way. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, operators have remote inventory monitoring for real-time stock levels, plus detailed sales tracking to build highly efficient data-driven restocking plans. And even better, that remote monitoring allows operators to spot potential technical issues before a customer ever even encounters a problem. This level of modern tech means it's a completely hands-off, stress-free amenity for facility managers.
But there's a catch, and it's absolutely crucial. You must maximize visibility while strictly meeting your facility's safety requirements. I mean, you can have all this great technology, but if the machine is hidden away in a dark corner, or worse, if it blocks a vital medical corridor, it's practically useless.
So location really is everything. In waiting areas, visitors need proximity during those long, stressful waits. In staff lounges, your healthcare workers require immediate access on those incredibly short breaks. And of course, entrances and common spaces serve everyone, offering high visibility and just ultimate convenience. The goal is to put these machines exactly where people naturally spend their time, while always working within your facility's strict access and safety protocols.
Finally, Section 5, maintaining reliable service, the key to dependability.
So, you've got the right products, you're using the best tech, and you've found the perfect placement.
Now it's all about execution. Because let's be real, a well-maintained machine is a highly dependable asset. But a broken one, that's nothing but a source of frustration. Regular maintenance is just non-negotiable. Operators must establish incredibly strict schedules for cleaning and restocking. Plus, we're talking about a healthcare setting, which means adhering to highly specific cleanliness and operational standards. You need regular technical inspections, lightning-fast responses to any glitches, and consistent inventory checks to prevent that dreaded empty selection scenario. When you nail these steps, the customer experience remains absolutely stellar.
Ultimately, it all boils down to this: big convenience, small footprint. By leveraging these modern vending solutions, you are profoundly supporting your staff and visitors, and you're doing it without sacrificing any significant, valuable real estate in your hospital or clinic. With suitable planning and regular maintenance, vending becomes a deeply dependable, essential part of the facility experience.
So, I'll leave you with this. Is your facility doing enough to support the everyday needs of its people? It's a really important question to ask yourself as an administrator or operations manager. If the answer is no, or honestly even maybe, it's probably time to look at upgrading your amenities. You can explore available, highly customizable solutions tailored specifically for medical environments by visiting vendingmachines.ie. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today, and I really hope this gives you the exact blueprint you need to better fuel your facility.